Kelly here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2019 Buick Enclave. This vehicle is loaded with goodies. It is the Avenir trim level, which is the top trim for this vehicle line. It has the power lift gate, which is extremely handy. Also, you can program it to different heights. It does have the trailer package, allowing you to tow up to 5,000 pounds if you have any toys. We do get the integrated turn signal on the mirrors, as well as the keyless access, allowing you to have ease of access. You don't require the remote in your hand to open the doors. It is certified pre-owned, and you do get the remainder of factory warranty as well. Checking out the interior, there is a lot to look at in here. It is a 7-passenger, so you do have the second row captain chairs, which are heated. As well, we do have the rear air conditioning controls there. One feature I love are the rear DVDs. That just makes traveling a whole lot quieter. It does come with headphones as well. And the nice dual panel sunroof, which just brightens up the whole vehicle. Moving to the front seat, so much to talk about here. We have nice leather seating surfaces, power driver seat with memory for 2 settings, a very bright and a much larger digital information screen, heated steering wheel, which I personally am a big fan of. On your main screen, you do have access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as navigation. One feature that I'm very much in love with, though, is the surround vision. That gives you a complete bird's eye view of your vehicle. It makes parking an absolute dream, as does the live stream rear camera mirror, which increases your visibility immensely. I love this feature. I'll quickly touch on a couple other great features of the Enclave. You do have dual zone climate control along with heated front seats, wireless charging with 2 USB ports up front. It is a push button start, which is very helpful. It is an all-wheel drive as well, but you do have the ability to turn off, disengage the all-wheel drive when road conditions don't require it. And it does have different drive modes as well. You do have tour, sport, and tow haul when you're towing items. So that's a quick look at our 2019 Buick Enclave. It's beautiful inside and out. It offers so many features to keep you happy and comfortable on your travels. It has generous passenger and cargo space, so everyone's comfortable. It has a clean Carfax report, meaning no previous accidents to report. And if you would like more information on this Enclave, please give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number or visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.